Hi, my name is Bart, and in this video I'm going to teach you my move called the closer. The main idea behind this cut is that I just want to create a move that as soon as it starts, it just closes. So yeah, I hope you'll like it, and let's get straight into the tutorial. Okay, so to start off the cut, you're just going to open up easy grip, then come forward with your right hand, loosen up a bit of grip here. Use gravity so it allows you to split up this pocket. It also helps to switch the thumb position from this one to more like a sideways one. Then it's just easier to open up. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so we're in this position. Now what you're going to do is actually switch your left index with your left thumb and simultaneously come back and then push this pocket that is resting here with your index so they all just connect like this. Without breaking the motion, you're just going to come back with it with your right hand, curl your left thumb, and onto your index you're going to drop this pocket in the same time while dropping this one. Then it's very simple, you're just going to close. So that's pretty much it for the whole cut. So once again, you're going to open up easy grip, come forward, switch your thumb position, break off the top pocket, then change your fingers, come back, connect these two, come over and drop both.